Hi friends, today we're going to read Cool Ducks and Lots of Hats. Eeks. Cool Ducks and Lots of Hats. Illustrated by Untitled Chapter. The letter D. Around, up, down. Down, up, around.
Cool duck. The cat is hot.
The duck is cool. The dog is hot. The cat is hot. Splash! The dog is cool. The cat is cool. The duck is cool. The letter H. Trace the lowercase and uppercase letter with a finger. Sound out the letter. Down, up, around, down. Down, lift, down, across. Lots of hats. Sam has a big hat. Come back, hat. Dad has big hat. Come back, hat. Mom has a big hat. Come back, hat. The dog has lots of hats. The end. I hope you like this story. See you in the next video.